Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to make money with Drumo in 2025. If you're looking for easy cash, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore Drumo's dashboard, PayPal rewards, and gift cards. Get ready for a tutorial packed with tips to maximize your earnings. Let's dive into how to make money with Drumo. This video will walk you through every step, from signing up to cashing out. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Up next, we'll see a quick montage of surveys, PayPal, and gift cards. Let's go. What is Drumo? Drumo is a free platform where you can earn money through your smartphone. Check out the homepage with task categories. It offers surveys, offers, games, and daily check-ins, all 100% free to join. Let's take a closer look. Enjoy a low payout threshold and choose between PayPal or gift cards. It's that flexible. Payments are fast. Expect your cash in 24 to 48 hours. Here's the proof with a clock and PayPal logo. Users love it. See this happy group celebrating their success with Drumo. How to sign up. Head to drumo.com to sign up. Click the join button to get started. Let's do this. Fill in your profile info here. Tip: use real details. Fake info can get you disqualified. Enter your email, name, and other details carefully. Accuracy is key. Submit your profile and wait for the confirmation message. You're almost in. Congrats. Here's a happy user confirming their sign-up on their smartphone. Main ways to earn. First up, paid surveys. Answer questions like this one to earn cash. Earnings range from 50 cents to $10. Watch your progress bar grow. Next, check the offer walls section. Download apps to boost your income. Try downloading a game and reach level 10 for $3. It's that simple. Daily check-ins plus bonuses are easy. Use this calendar to track your rewards. Complete weekly tasks and streaks to earn bonus points. Consistency pays off. The referrals section lets you share a link. Invite friends to earn more. Invite friends and see percentage earnings grow. Check this graphic. Set up a passive income strategy with this chart. Let your earnings work for you. Look at this group celebrating their earnings. Your turn is coming. Recap. Surveys add up fast. See your earnings on this interface. Offer walls bring more cash. Check these app icons for options. Daily check-in bonuses stack up. Track them with this calendar. Referral earnings shine here. See the social media graphic. Here's your overall earnings summary with a total amount. Amazing, right? How to get paid. Time to cash out. Start the withdrawal process on your smartphone with a $1 threshold. Use the PayPal cash-out interface. Confirm your payment here. Or pick gift cards from this selection interface. So many options. Users rave about fast payments. Check these testimonial screenshots. Here's a user receiving their payment notification. Success. Tips to earn more faster. Tip 1. Use a real profile with accurate info. See this tip on your phone. Tip 2. Check multiple offer walls. Look at these app icons. Tip 3. Complete your profile 100%. Watch this progress bar. Tip 4. Refer friends through social media. Check this sharing interface. Tip 5. Be consistent. Even 30 minutes daily adds up. See the clock. Transition to this group celebrating their consistency. You can do it too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more tips. Comment below. Have you tried Drumo yet? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching and happy